Okay, this is my homemade BB trap. As you can see, I have a machine gun, BB gun, that kind of shoots holes in the target, but I don't want it bouncing all over my basement, so I have this piece of foam board, just thin foam board, so it goes through that, and then if it hits this metal plate on a 45-degree angle, then it'll bounce off, hit the back of that, and then it drops into the carpet. So I have literally 1,000 BBs on this carpet right now. But so that's a good way to stop the BBs from just riddling your basement floor. And then I just buy several targets. That was about 3 clips. So it just kind of shoots a hole right through the middle of the deer. Anyway, I just used 1/8 inch, it's not even plywood, it's just particle board, because I have that steel 1/32 or 1/64. It's really thin, but it'll stop a BB. You know, any stainless or anything like that. Even aluminum that would be a 1/16 of an inch would stop the BB. Probably stop pellets too. They're running about 500 feet per second, so they're not real fast and they're really light. They're 0.17 millimeters, so you don't have a lot of kinetic energy to go through metal. But anyway, I'll show you that, and then I'll show you the automatic weapon.